Is your iPhone not appearing in iTunes? Don't worry. Here are the quickest fixes you can try right now to make your iPhone detectable again. Method 1. Switch the USB cable or USB port. Using the original cable is best. Method 2. Ensure your iPhone is unlocked. Many people overlook this step. If you see the Trust This Computer pop up, tap Trust. Method 3. Go to Device Manager and then locate portable devices. Right-click your iPhone and select Uninstall. Unplug the USB cable and reconnect it. This will reinstall the device. With all the above methods, if iTunes still doesn't detect your iPhone, don't waste time trying again and again. You can simply switch to Syncios Mobile Manager, which connects instantly and back up your phone data. Like this, Syncios will recognize your iPhone instantly. It allows you to back up and restore various data, including photos, videos, music, contacts, and more. Compared to iTunes, you can directly view and select what specific data you want to transfer. See how it works. So the next time your iTunes can't detect your iPhone anyway, try Syncios Mobile Manager. Selectively back up and restore your iPhone data with a few clicks. Support the latest iPhone series and iOS 26. If this video helped, give it a like. Thanks for watching.